What if something as ordinary as ice is far more complex and strange than you've ever imagined? Not just frozen water, but a substance that can behave in ways that challenge common sense. A material that has shaped history, hidden in the coldest place on Earth, and even played a role in one of the most tragic moments at sea. And the deeper you look, the more reality starts to feel less predictable, because ice is not what it seems. In certain conditions, something unusual can happen with temperature. Hot water can sometimes freeze faster than cold water. It sounds impossible at first, but under specific circumstances involving evaporation, convection, and heat transfer, the warmer liquid can lose energy more efficiently. This strange phenomenon forces scientists to question simple assumptions about how heat behaves, and it creates a moment that makes you pause. Wait, what is actually happening here? The answer lies not in magic, but in physics working in ways that are not immediately obvious. And once you accept that ice can defy expectations, the story becomes even bigger. Because most of the ice on Earth is not scattered evenly across the planet. It is locked away in one massive frozen continent, Antarctica. Around 90% of all the planet's ice is concentrated there. A vast, isolated environment where ice sheets stretch for miles, forming layers that have accumulated over thousands of years. This is not just frozen water sitting on the surface. It is a massive archive of Earth's climate history, compressed into dense layers of ice. And within that frozen world, ice slowly moves, cracks, and reshapes itself over time. Pieces break away from the edges, drifting into the ocean. This is where something more familiar begins to form: icebergs. But here's where another surprising detail comes in. Icebergs are not made from salt water. They originate from fresh water that was trapped in glaciers on land. As these glaciers flow toward the ocean and break apart, they release chunks of pure freshwater ice. Once in the sea, these massive structures float, with most of their volume hidden beneath the surface. Only a small portion is visible above water, while the majority remains unseen below. That hidden mass is exactly why they are so dangerous, and history has already shown what can happen when they are underestimated. One of the most famous maritime disasters involved a collision with an iceberg of enormous size, the Titanic. In 1912, the ship struck an iceberg that was part of that vast frozen system drifting through the North Atlantic. The impact damaged the hull below the waterline, where the hidden bulk of the iceberg had remained invisible. That single encounter led to one of the most tragic sinkings in history, a reminder that what you see on the surface is often only a fraction of the reality beneath. And even then, ice itself is still more complex than most people realize. Scientists have discovered that ice does not exist in just one fixed structure. It can form in multiple distinct solid phases, each with different molecular arrangements. At least 19 different types of ice have been identified. These variations form under different pressures and temperatures, some only existing in extreme laboratory conditions or deep within planetary bodies. This means ice is not a single uniform substance, but a family of structures that can change depending on its environment. A material that adapts, transforms, and behaves differently based on the conditions around it. So when you look at a simple cube of ice in a glass, you are actually looking at something that belongs to a much larger and more complex system. Something that connects everyday life to Antarctica's frozen expanse, to deep ocean hazards, and even to the fundamental laws of physics. And the more you understand it, the more you realize ice is not just cold water. It is a dynamic substance with hidden behaviors, extreme environments, and unexpected properties that still challenge what we know. Even today, scientists continue to study its phases, its movement, and its role in shaping the planet. Because despite everything we've learned, ice still holds mysteries we haven't fully uncovered. And maybe that's the most surprising part of all. If something as common as ice can hide so much complexity, what else around us might be more mysterious than it appears? If you found this interesting, like and subscribe for more content that reveals the hidden science behind everyday things. Because the more you look closer, the more reality begins to surprise you.